So this is a video on the Motorola G7 Power, so Moto G7 Power. This has been filmed on my nice new 50mm lens, so if you want to see a video about all my different lenses, then leave a like. So let's just get started on this. So, the Moto G7 Power. Some mumbo jumbo there, blah blah blah, nothing on there, nothing on there. I've opened it already, just to make sure the phone's in there, because you can never trust Amazon. So yeah, let's just... So there's the Moto G7 Power. Oh, that looks nice. Okay. Oh, that's a beefy boy. That is. Oh, that's a big phone. That's good. Let's just place that there. Hello, Moto. We have a README, which nobody ever reads. We have legal safety, and no one ever reads that. Oh, we have a little SIM remover, so that's quite nice. Nice to have. My first USB-C cable. So we're gonna be needing that, but not anymore. And we also have. Oh, this is a USB. Oh, it's just a standard USB-A connection on that end. So is this just a USB-C? I'm curious now. So this seems to be a USB-A to USB-C cable. So and it is what it is. It is what it is, and then that's all of the cardboard that I've just ruined. Put back in there, you. So the Moto G7 Power. Now that's quite big phone, I gotta admit. Looks like it comes with some form of. Yeah, it comes with some form of plastic casing on there. You can see that there. But it seems to also attract fingerprints from the entire known universe. So. Not too sold on the case. I might have to get one of those flip out cases. That's my current phone going off. Standard peel. If I can, I try and look through a viewfinder, see. That was nice. And there's already a bunch of fingerprints from every known aspect of the universe on it. Hey, look at that. Hi there. So I'll go through all of the beautiful setup process, but I thought I would just do an unboxing because I can. So I'm moving from the Sony Xperia Z1 to this. So this thing is going to be a little bit of an upgrade. It's a very big phone, but I'll get used to that. So yeah, like and comment all that lovely stuff. I don't know what I'm doing yet. So yeah, leave a like if you want all of those lenses to be in a video. And I'm still trying to figure out which lens I use. This camera's very far up actually, but it gets some quite nice focus on it, so we'll see. But that's this video, so like, comment, all that YouTube stuff, and I'll see you next time.